Hello and welcome to our tutorial on JavaScript variables and data types. Before we dive into the details, let's talk about why these concepts are so important. In programming, variables allow us to store and manipulate data. Think of a variable like a label box where you can store a value. This value can be a number, a text string, or even more complex data structures. Variables give us a way to work with data in our code. In JavaScript, a variable is declared using the let keyword followed by the name of the variable and an assignment operator. For example, let name equals John. We can also use the const keyword to declare constants that cannot be changed. In JavaScript, there are several basic data types: numbers, strings, booleans, null, and undefined. Let's explore each type in more detail. In JavaScript, numbers are used to represent numerical values. We can perform arithmetic operations on numbers using the plus, asterisk, and slash operators. In JavaScript, strings are used to represent text sequences. We can use string methods like toUpperCase and lowercase to manipulate strings. In JavaScript, booleans are used to represent true or false values. We can use boolean operators like and to combine boolean values. In JavaScript, null represents the absence of any object value, while undefined represents an uninitialized variable. In JavaScript, variables have different scopes depending on their declaration. We'll explore the different types of variable scopes. In JavaScript, variables are hoisted to the top of their scope. This means that we can access a variable before it's declared. When working with variables and data types, there are several common mistakes to watch out for. Let's explore some of these pitfalls. To avoid common mistakes, follow best practices when working with variables and data types. Let's explore some of these guidelines. In this video, we covered the fundamentals of JavaScript variables and data types. We explored the different types of data in JavaScript and how to work with them. Now that you have a solid understanding of JavaScript variables and data types, it's time to practice. Try working on some exercises or projects to reinforce your knowledge.